our trip to Jemeluk beach. And the plan is to shoot a short video from Kuda Hitam wreck. So I'm the freediver number 1. There's the freediver number 2. And the support team, Laura. So she will be the one who will shoot all the video. Sorry for the bad sound, because the camera is in a housing, waterproof housing, and it's pretty thick, and sound is not going really well through it.
Just to explain what we just did, we did some free diving on a Kuda Hitam wreck. It's in a Jemeluk beach on 33 meters depth. So yeah, Laura was filming, me and Elliot, we did some free diving, kind of free diving there. So basically this goes to the series Freediver in Technical Fins. So that's gonna be called it. What I wish all of you, don't focus only on something one. Try different ways of diving. Like for example, I do scuba diving, I do technical diving, I do free diving, I do swimming. So as more you do in some area which you like, as more you understand each other. So that's why, for example, for me at the moment is Guys, free divers, I understand you, but I hope you understand me as well. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Bye. While Elliot is preparing his presentation, I'm getting some load of sugar from Laura. Very tasty.